Okay guys, welcome back to another one. So in this video, I'll be focusing primarily on the concept of a unit price in regards to the time-weighted rate of return. And the example I'm going to use is as follows. So here we're not talking about, there won't be no definition. I've attached the formula to the right, so here's the formula. And this is what the example says. So we have an investor who invested 100 in a fund on each of the 1st of January for the following years, 2009, 10 and 11. So this is a 3-year period. And the following table gives the price of a unit in the fund. Okay, so this is very clear on the first year. Now, one thing to really take note here, and I'm going to the question which is calculate theta for 3 years and the actual simple definition. With unit prices in regards to TWRR, all cash values are equal to 0 in this sense, for the purpose of this formula. So in this case, all these values are literally eliminated. This is because the cash values are represented as fund values themselves. Now, if you think about it, suppose you're an investor and you just put out 100 3 times in 3 different years. At this point in time, that is the value of your actual cash. In other words, the fund. This is the value of your fund 1, fund 2, and fund 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and your third fund at the respective time. So 0 being the 2009 initial time, and time 3 being 3 years later from the initial time. And of course, this is where the cash themselves equals the fund. So the 100 equals 100. The 100 initially, the first cash, which was 105, is now 100 is now 105, and the second cash, which was 100, is now 103. And that's it. So literally, the bottom line is cash values are equivalent to fund values in regards to unit price. So this makes this whole formula easy. So in fact, the whole formula is now reduced to the following. So we got the usual 1 plus I to the power t would equal the fund value just before the unit time. And in this case, the fund value could be the same as F1. So F1 would equal F1 minus over F0 times F2 over F1. So actually, this becomes a very simple, beautiful formula. In fact, you'll probably notice that everything cancels out except just 2 things. So the whole thing is actually reduced to this. So F1s cancel out, F2s cancel out, and therefore you're left with F3 over F0. And thus, guys, we just plug in. So we have 1 plus I to the power of 3 is because the time period is 3 from this period of time. And this is equal to F3, which is 107 over 100, and hence the time weighted return is the cube root of this. I might as well just do it all out. Subtract 1, and this should give you, I've calculated, guys, bear with me, should be approximately equal to 2.3%, and that's it. Really, that's it. And just for FYI, the money weighted return is a bit less, 2.1%. But yeah, that's really it, guys, and I hope this video helps, and let me know if you've got any more questions. Yeah, I was just clarifying the point of unit pricing and how it kind of how it mechanically works. This isn't a theoretical lecture. This is just a simple mechanical with some kind of a small hint of, I wouldn't say common sense, but some little logic behind it. But anyway, guys, hope this helps, and I shall see you all down the road. Ciao now.